In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Calendly with PayPal. If you want invitees to pay at the time of booking, connecting Calendly to PayPal is a quick way to streamline scheduling and checkout. I'll guide you through the exact clicks and fields so everything is clear and secure. Start by opening Calendly and looking at the menu on the left side of your dashboard. Click Integrations and Apps. This is the hub where you add services to enhance your scheduling. If you manage multiple teams or organizations, make sure you're in the correct workspace before proceeding. In the integrations library, use the search bar to type PayPal, then select the PayPal option that appears. This opens the PayPal integration page with details about how payments will work inside Calendly. Click Connect with PayPal. Calendly will open a secure PayPal window to begin the connection. On the first screen, click Next. This simply confirms you're connecting Calendly as a trusted partner so the two accounts can talk to each other safely. No card numbers or sensitive payment details are shared with Calendly during this step. You'll now see a brief PayPal onboarding form. Enter your first name and last name exactly as they appear on your legal or business documents to avoid verification issues later. Add your email address, choose the inbox where you want to receive payment notifications and receipts. Create a strong password that's unique to PayPal. Consider using a password manager to generate and store it securely. Then provide your phone number, including your country code if applicable, so PayPal can send important security prompts and account updates. When everything looks correct, review PayPal's terms, then click Agree and Create Account. This finalizes your PayPal account creation or upgrade and completes the link to Calendly. If PayPal recognizes the email you entered, you may be prompted to log in instead. Just sign in and continue to authorize the connection. After a brief moment, you'll return to Calendly with PayPal connected. You should now see PayPal listed in your integrations and apps as active. From here, Calendly can require payment during booking and route funds directly to your PayPal account, helping reduce no-shows and keeping payment and scheduling in one smooth flow. If something doesn't progress, check that all required fields are filled, your email is typed correctly, your phone number format is valid, and that your browser isn't blocking pop-ups since the PayPal window needs to open. And that's it. Your Calendly account is now integrated with PayPal. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.